How to remove background in Photopea. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your Photopea account and then get the image that you want to remove the background for. After that, on the right hand side, you would be able to find this option of background layer. Right beside it, you would be able to find the lock. Simply click on it and make sure that you open up the lock. After that, you need to select the option of magic wand at the left hand side. If you are not able to find it, simply press W and you would be able to find it. After that, right click on it and select the option of object selection. By the way, all of them will work, but we can select any one. And after that, we need to select the image and make sure that each and everything is coming under it that you want to keep. So after selecting, this is how it will appear. But we need to make sure that our selection is quite accurate as per our needs and requirements. So just click on this option of select object, and after that it should be working quite fine, and this is how easy it is. And if you still find some problems, simply zoom into this particular layer and click on this option of refine edge in order to remove the unselected parts, or if you want to remove any additional part, and this is how it will appear. Now suppose we want to remove these pixels, then we will just simply zoom in over here and we will make sure to reduce the size of the brush after selecting the black color over here, and let's reduce the size of the brush and then make the changes over here. You can see that there are changes being done live on this particular one. After that, just simply click on OK, and this is how you would be able to remove the background. Now you can move it around and place it according to your needs and requirements, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.